Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors. This is called Parkinson's syndrome, and it is genetic early onset Parkinson's disease, which is kind of how everything got started. I wanted to show that just because you have some challenges doesn't mean you have to give up what you know and love. And what I know and love is makeup. Another thing that I wanted to do from the beginning is share my favorite products with you. I want to review new products coming out, let you know what I think, show you swatches before you go out, spend your hard-earned money, and also show you my favorite things and share my favorite things, as in getting the products to you. So today we are celebrating the relaunch of the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is available for a limited time for $28 at Sephora, Ulta, and the ABH website. Let me show this to you. I'm wearing it right now. Look at that beautiful highlight. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. And it looks good on just about every skin tone. Look at that gorgeous light gold highlight there. Like I said, I've got it on my cheeks right now. Look at that glow. I love it. So I want to share this. I asked after my last giveaway what the community thought, what you guys wanted, and the consensus was to keep doing these smaller giveaways with more of the smaller products, more winners of the products, and save the big giveaways for big celebrations. So I'm going to do a small giveaway. I'm giving away a total of 7 items. I am going to give away 2 of the Amrezy highlighters and 5 Better Than Sex Deluxe Sample Mascaras. If you guys watch me for any amount of time, you know that I really love this formula, and I would love to share that with more people. So, if you won in the last giveaway, I'm sorry guys, you can't win back to back. The next one you'll be able to put in for them again, but that wouldn't really be fair since it's a random drawing if, the same people get drawn over and over again. So I'm sorry about that, but for everybody else, it is open internationally. I will ship to wherever you are. Just make sure you are a member of the makeup community, which means you are subscribed to the channel, and comment down below the best way to get a hold of you. I am going to have this open through December 16th. That is when I'm going to draw the names. Sunday, December 16th, and December 17th is when I am going to post the video up letting the winners know, and I will let you know in whichever way you wanted me to contact you, whether email, Instagram, whatever. I do not have a Snapchat, sorry. Alright guys, so that will do it. Good luck. I can't wait to share these products with you. And I will talk to you down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.